Are you tired of being at the bottom of the leaderboard and missing out on those juicy tokens? Stick around because today, I'm revealing the ultimate strategies to skyrocket your earning potential and become one of the top earners in the game. Let's dive in and transform your gameplay. To ensure you're not one of the lowest earners, it's crucial to understand and enhance your achievement parameters. Here's the lowdown. Each card in Hamster Kombat has specific levels starting from bronze, moving to silver, gold, topaz, and finally sapphire. Your goal is to climb these ranks. Here's why it's important and how you can do it. Each card you collect in Hamster Kombat isn't just a static piece. It's a dynamic tool that can be upgraded through various levels, each representing a significant boost in your earning potential and gameplay efficiency. The journey begins at the bronze level, which is the entry point for every player. As you progress and enhance your skills, you can upgrade your cards to silver, then gold, followed by topaz, and ultimately reach the prestigious sapphire level. The progression through these levels isn't merely cosmetic. Each upgrade brings enhanced abilities, better stats, and increased token rewards. For example, a bronze card might give you basic abilities and minimal token rewards, but as you upgrade to silver and gold, these rewards and abilities multiply, making your gameplay more rewarding and efficient. By the time you reach the topaz and sapphire levels, your cards are powerhouses that can significantly influence your standing in the game. To climb these ranks, you'll need to focus on accumulating the necessary resources and completing in-game challenges. Participate in events, complete daily missions, and engage in battles to earn the experience and resources required for upgrades. Regularly check your cards and see which ones are ready for an upgrade. Prioritize those that will give you the most significant boost in your gameplay and token earnings. Remember, the key to success in Hamster Kombat is not just playing but playing smart. Strategize your upgrades, focus on achieving milestones, and continuously enhance your cards to ensure you're always ahead of the competition. With dedication and the right strategy, you'll be climbing the ranks in no time and reaping the rewards that come with being a top player. First, make sure you're subscribed to the Hamster Kombat Telegram channel. This keeps you informed about any updates and airdrops. Remember, your progress is tracked from the day you joined, so staying active is key. Next, watching Hamster Kombat's YouTube videos is a must for maximizing your in-game potential. The main channel alone boasts over 175 videos, each offering valuable insights, tips, and updates that can enhance your gameplay. However, there's more to this strategy than just absorbing information. To get the most out of this tactic, you need to understand how YouTube's view count system works. For your view to count and be credited towards your achievement parameters, you only need to watch at least 35 seconds of the video. This means you don't have to sit through the entire video to gain the benefits. Here's how you can optimize this process. Efficient viewing strategy. 1. When you start a video, let it play past the initial ad. 1. Once the main content begins, make sure it plays for at least 35 seconds. 1. This is the minimum duration YouTube requires to count your view as legitimate. 2. After the 35-second mark, you can move on to the next video. 2. This way, you can quickly accumulate views without spending hours watching each video in full. Hamster Kombat has multiple channels in different languages: Spanish, French, Arabic, and more. Subscribe to these channels to maximize your views and engagement. Profit per hour is a crucial metric in Hamster Kombat, determining your success and growth within the game. To maximize your earning potential, you need to strategically invest in items that offer the best returns. Let's dive into how you can effectively increase your profit per hour. Strategic investments. 1. One effective way to boost your profit per hour is by purchasing high-return items. 1. For instance, buying the Games in Paris item for 38,000 coins yields a substantial 3,200 profit per hour. 1. These types of investments are key to accelerating your growth. Item selection. 1. Not all items are created equal. 1. Focus on those that provide the highest profit per hour relative to their cost. 1. This means you should prioritize items that offer the best returns on your investment, allowing you to accumulate wealth more quickly. Ramping up purchases. 1. Continually reinvest your earnings into more profitable items. 1. The goal is to create a compounding effect where your increasing profit per hour allows you to afford even more lucrative items, further boosting your earnings. Profit per hour milestones. 1. Set specific profit per hour milestones for yourself. 1. For example, aim to reach a certain profit per hour threshold within a set period. 1. This helps you stay focused and motivated, providing clear goals to strive towards. By focusing on increasing your profit per hour through strategic investments and regular monitoring, you'll be able to significantly enhance your earning potential in Hamster Kombat. Remember, the key is to continually reinvest in the best items, creating a cycle of growth that propels you to the top of the leaderboard. Unlocking skins can also significantly boost your earnings in Hamster Kombat. Initially, I wasn't very interested in NFTs, but now I see the true value in enhancing gameplay and maximizing achievements. Let's explore how investing in skins can help elevate your gaming experience and financial returns. Understanding skins and NFTs. 1. Skins in Hamster Kombat are not just cosmetic upgrades, they are integral to improving your overall performance. 1. These NFTs, non-fungible tokens, add a unique element to your gaming experience, offering various benefits that can enhance your gameplay. Achievement unlocks. 1. Unlocking new skins often leads to new achievements within the game. 1. Each achievement you unlock can provide additional rewards, further boosting your earnings and helping you climb the ranks. 1. This creates a positive feedback loop where your investments in skins continually pay off. Unlocking new features. 1. Some skins come with unique features or abilities that are not available through other means. 1. These exclusive benefits can give you an edge over other players, allowing you to advance more quickly and earn more rewards. Inviting friends can be challenging but rewarding. Aim to invite at least 100 friends to gain significant bonuses. If you're a content creator, use your platform to get more people to join. Finally, focus on collecting coins and upgrading your cards. Upgrading to level 25 can be costly, but it's essential for top-tier rewards. Aim to consistently upgrade your cards to stay ahead. Remember, achieving top status in Hamster Kombat isn't easy, but with these strategies, you can significantly improve your chances. Stay active, keep upgrading, and you'll see your earnings. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and click the link below for my proven strategy to maximize your coins and achievements. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.